How to make a better use of Tics in education. English conversation, Luisa Fernanda Velázquez Zuleta, 8th semester. Main idea of the first video. What is ICT in education? Educators, trainers, and teachers use it. Technology in the classroom is very useful and important. You can use any type of tool and easily interact by using it that through video instrument service. ICTs minimize teaching needs. Make your lessons much more effective and enjoyable. Main idea of the second video. Critical video about the of students towards technology in education. In some cases, ICTs are not used appropriately, generating confusions and annoying situations in students that do little to help them achieve the learning that the teacher wants to impart. Many times the ICTs are used improperly, giving a different meaning to their use and completely degenerating the end of them, providing tools that facilitate learning. Compare and contrast both videos. The two videos are totally different. In one, the benefits of ICTs, the tools it offers, and the way to use them in education are evident. It shows each of the advantages that is good use brings and how to take advantage of them. In the following video, the difficulties that students who use ICTs to acquire learning can show. The disadvantage of students compared to them can be seen. My comment. ICTs are important in education because they allow the classes to be innovative, capturing the students' attention, generating specific to-date education systems around the world face the challenge of using information and communication technologies to provide their students with the necessary tools and knowledge that will be needed in the 21st century. ICTs are the educational innovation of the moment and allow teachers and students decisive changes in the daily work of the classroom and in the learning process of the same. The ICT are transforming education significantly, have changed both the way of teaching and the way of learning, and of course the role of the teacher and the student.